Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to talk about printing a pattern of rhombus shape. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm just going to open Visual Studio Code, writing code, executing, and explaining also. Okay, the problem. Okay, so this is my kindly request to you is if you have this application, then you open it and do practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. Okay, if you don't have, then you can open online Java compiler and there you can practice these all things. Okay, so I'm just going to open it, Visual Studio Code. First I am going to write here what the file name where our code is going to save. Okay, so I need to write here rhombus rhombus pattern rhombus star pattern dot java. Okay, rhombus star pattern dot java. Okay, so I need to write here first what main method, that is psvm. We need we use this short form to write full things. Okay, in it is applicable in only in Visual Studio Code. It will not work in online Java compiler, I think. Okay, and here I need to import a scanner class because you have to take user input. So it helps us to take user input. Okay, so I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, we are going to print right shifted rhombus star pattern. Okay, so I need to write here first the object for the scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and then shout. Here I need to print a message to take user input. So I need to write here enter number of rows. Okay, so after that, okay, after that I need to write here int n is equals to sc dot next int, and then I need to write here another message to show the result text. So I need to write here below is the below is the right shifted pattern of rhombus. Rhombus. Okay, here I need to write capital R. Okay, rhombus. Okay, and then I need to see, we are verbally explaining the code while writing. After the writing I will execute the code, and then I will write comment for each line, each logic, so that your concept will clear and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. Okay, so you don't worry about if you not understand some line, some logic. Okay, then you have to wait, you have to write the code same on your system, and you have to execute with me, and you have to try to find error. Okay, if you are done, okay, in the code. And this is my kindly request to you all, you don't have to panic about the error. You need to learn about the error where you are done the mistake. Okay, and you need to remember that mistake, and you don't have to repeat the same mistake again. This is the key only to learn in a great way. Okay, so you don't have to repeat the same mistake again. Okay, this is the main things. Okay, and I need to write here for to print to for to control the outer loop, we to control the number of rows, I am going to print for loop. I'm going to run a loop that is, this is the outer loop. Okay, so I need to write here int I is equals to which control what number of row in the rhombus. Okay, I need to print here int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus, and then I need to print another inner loop that is that will control what number of spaces in the shifting of the rhombus. So I need to write here int for int j is equals to 1, j less than equal to n minus I, and j plus plus, and then I need to write here what c system dot out println output statement, and here I need to print two spaces. Okay, what why two spaces? Because we will print one space with star to to make alignment uh, correct. We need to print here two spaces. Okay, and number of spaces will be in each row will be maximum. What will be the maximum number of spaces it will be print in each row? That is n minus 1. Means if you have the number of row 5, and if you are in first row, then number of spaces will be print n minus 1 on n minus I, means 5 minus 1 means 4 spaces will be print in first row. If you are in second row, then number of spaces will be print n minus 2, means if I have n if I have 5 row, means it will be print 3 spaces, means 4 3 2 1. It is decreasing with increasing of number of rows. Number of spaces is decreasing when number of row is increasing. Okay, so this is the logic. Okay, to print rhombus right shifted. Okay, and now I'm going to print another I'm going to run another loop, for loop, inner loop it is also, which will which will print number of star in each row. So I need to write here int k is equals to 1, k less than equal to n, and k plus plus. I need to print here what star with one space. See, I have already printed here two spaces, that's why I have give one spaces here. That's so that alignment will be uh, come correctly. Okay, and then I need to write here one line. I need to print here one line, so that after printing a star in each row, cursor can move in the next row. Okay, and here I need to write sc dot close to avoid what memory leaks. It will free the memory also. Okay, and resource leak it will avoid. Okay, and now I think I have done with all things. Now I'm going to close it. No, I am going to execute it first, then I will write comment, and then I will close. Okay, I need to see the result. Okay, yeah, it is saying enter number of rows. Okay, no, I have done a mistake, one mistake here. I need to print only, not print ln. If I will do print ln, means it will be not come in the or desired result. We will not get desired result. We will print ln. Okay, and it is saying enter number of rows. I am entering number of rows 5. You can see below is the right shifted star pattern of rhombus. Okay, so you, you can see the number of spaces in each row is decreasing, and when number of row is increasing. When number of row is increasing, the number of spaces is decreasing. This is the things which make right shifted what rhombus pattern of a star. Okay, so if you want to enter another number of rows, another input, so you can, what is this thing, I need to this one. Right now cursor is not working, just wait. Okay, yeah, it is coming. Wait, don't worry, it will come. What bro? Wait guys, now I need to open up it again. Yeah, I'm going to run it again. Here you can see it is processing right now. Yeah, now it is coming. Sorry guys. Okay, and don't panic about mistake. It is not my mistake. Okay, it is the error coming in from system only. It is saying enter number of rows. I am going to enter another number of rows, like I have entered, I want to enter number of rows 4. Okay, so you can see this is printing number of, this is printing uh, pattern of right shifted rhombus. Okay, so now I'm going to write what a scanner, I'm going to write comment for each line. So you can see here, this is what, this is a scanner class to take user input. This is the main, this is the file name where our code is going to save, and this is the what, main method. Main method, after this, after this code is going to execute. Okay, and this is what, this is the object for the scanner class to take user input. This is what, this is message to ask user to enter number of rows. Okay, object creation here, a scanner class to take user input, and this is what, this is with the with help of this variable we are taking user input. Okay, or user for the for rhombus. Okay, and this is the message to show the result text. Okay, and this is the outer loop to control number of rows in the what control number of rows in the rhombus. Okay, and this is the what this is inner loop to control number of spaces in each row when it is assuring this is being number of number of spaces will be maximum will be number of say maximum will be n minus I in each row. That means when when number of number of row is increased, then what number of spaces will be decreased. Okay, and this is printing two spaces to look better. And this is what this is second inner loop to control to print number of star in each row. Okay, and it is printing star. This is printing star with one space. And what is this? After it is a line, it's a line to move cursor in next row after printing number of rows number of printing star in each row. Okay, and this is what this is the closing of SC object of scanner class to avoid memory leaks. Okay, and now I have done with all these things, writing code, explaining the code, and comment, writing comment also, and execution also. I'm going to execute it once also, and after that I will close this video. Okay, you to write. I'm entering number of rows. What, how many? 8. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and number of star in each row is 8 also. 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now I'm going to close it, guys, and we will meet in next video. Till then, you have to do practice and do try run, so that you will be able to make the problem around the problem come around these things. Okay, and you will be able to handle that problem when will be do practice, will be do dry run. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.